We called this little red knife Schweizer Offiziers-und Sportsmesser, but for the American soldier, of course, this was a too long name, so they just named it Swiss Army knife. My name is Karl Elsener. I'm the CEO of Victorinox since 2007. I was born here in Schwyz in 1958. My great-grandfather started the company in 1884. It has always been since then in our family. I did grow up here, very close to the factory. The building is still there. Schwyz is not a very big town. We have about 13,000 inhabitants, but Victorinox is the most important employer. We employ 950 people. 650 of them work in the factory. The mother of the founder of our company, her name was Victoria, and when she passed, he decided to take her name as the company name. And later, when stainless steel was invented, we started to manufacture stainless steel knives. And globally, the term for stainless steel is inox, so Victoria and inox became our brand name, Victorinox. For our company, already since more than 50 years, the environment was most important. Since 1980, we have a system that allows us to take the energy, the heat that is created during the manufacturing, to heat the warm water and even heat the whole factory, and in addition 120 buildings. Also interesting is that all our Swiss Army knives, household and professional knives, are made from 95% recycled steel.
My name is Urs Wyss. I will explain you the steps of production of a Swiss Army knife. The raw material is brought to the stamping machine. A machine stamps out all the different parts. After this step, we have to polish the edges of the blade. Ceramic stones and all the parts are moving around. Afterwards, we take them out with a strong magnet. We have to harden the material to get a high quality blade, and this happens in these ovens. Inside we have a temperature of 1050 degrees, and this heat changes the structure of the steel. So at this stage here we grind them onto the final dimension.
It's fantastic to receive on a regular basis from all over the world. People share with us their experience, their adventure with this little red knife. Chris Hadfield is a Canadian astronaut, and in this book he describes his mission. He was in a space shuttle and had to dock to the Russian Mir station, but somehow he couldn't open the hatch. But he remembered, I have a Swiss Army knife. And in the book he writes, never leave the planet without one.